There was a small town. A quiet place where nothing big ever happened, but in that town lived a young man named Adam. Adam wasn't born strong, he wasn't born talented, he wasn't born lucky. In fact, he was the opposite. He was the boy people pointed at and whispered, "He will never make it. He is too weak. He is too slow. He is too hopeless." Every failure attached to his name, every laugh was a reminder that he didn't fit in. But life has a strange habit, it gives the loudest pain to the quietest souls. One winter morning, Adam woke up and realized something: no one is coming to save him, no one is coming to push him, no one will build his life for him. If he didn't fight, his life would remain exactly the same. So he made a decision that separated him from the rest of the world. From today, I choose discipline. Not motivation, not hype, not temporary excitement, discipline. Because he had learned something the hard way: motivation can change your day, but discipline changes your life. The next morning, before the sun even touched the sky, Adam woke up, no alarm, no reminders, no one cheering, just discipline. He went for a run, slow, painful, embarrassing. People saw him and laughed again. Look at him running like he's training for the Olympics. He'll quit next week. But he didn't respond, because disciplined people don't waste their time arguing with the world. They let results speak. He went home, breath shaking, legs burning, yet he whispered one sentence: "Tomorrow, I'll be better." Weeks passed, Adam wasn't improving fast, his body hurt every day, his routine was heavy, and there was no applause, no praise, no instant results. But discipline doesn't care about speed, discipline cares about consistency. Every day he ran, every day he trained, every day he worked on his goals. There were mornings when his mind screamed, "Skip today. No one will know." But discipline replied, "I will know." And that was enough. Adam didn't live like others. While others slept late, he slept early. While others wasted hours scrolling, he was learning. While others hung out at night, he was grinding alone under streetlights. People called him boring. People called him obsessed. But he knew something they didn't: success is expensive, and most people are too cheap to pay the price. One day, a storm hit the town: rain, wind, cold, darkness. No one stepped outside, no one trained, no one worked. But Adam, he stood at his door, tied his shoes, and went out in the storm. Every step was a battle. Water hit his face, cold froze his hands, wind tried to push him back. That night, as he returned home soaked and shaking, he knew something had changed inside him. He wasn't the same person anymore. Discipline had reshaped him. Months passed, slowly, quietly, without noise. Adam transformed. His body got stronger, his mind got sharper, his focus became unbreakable. People who once laughed at him started asking, "Bro, how did you change so much? What's your secret? What motivated you?" And he answered the same thing every time: not motivation, discipline. Adam's journey wasn't about becoming famous, rich, or popular. It was about becoming someone he wasn't ashamed of, someone reliable, someone strong, someone consistent, someone disciplined. Motivation is temporary, motivation fades, motivation dies. But discipline builds empires, discipline builds men, discipline builds lives. And if you're listening to this right now, remember this: you don't need to be perfect, you don't need to be talented, you don't need to be lucky. You just need to start, and then never stop, because discipline doesn't make your day easier, it makes your life better. This story is a fiction, but remember this clearly: there are many real men like Adam in this world, men who refuse to quit, men who start from zero and grow, men who choose discipline over motivation, and transform their entire life. Congratulations! You made it all the way to the end. Most people give up halfway, but not you. You stayed. And that tells me one thing: you're serious about changing your life. Here's a bonus tip for those who want real success. Many of you want discipline, focus, and a clear plan to achieve your goals. Just like Adam refused to quit and kept going until he succeeded, so I want to share something that can help you do the same. It's called the Subconscious Millionaire System. This program is simple, powerful, and designed to help you reprogram your mindset. Stay disciplined, and take consistent steps every day toward wealth and success. I've put the link in the description. If you're serious about growth, check it out. No fake promises, no hype. Just a real tool for those who are ready to take action. And before you go, if you want more stories, lessons, like this, subscribe. It costs nothing, but it changes everything.